आरक्षण कायद्याप्रमाण आणि अनुक्रमान जावपाक जाय, मात हे मुरगांव पालिकेचे आरक्षण कार्लूस आल्मेदा फुडल्या वेंचणुकेक पडचो ह्या हेतून केला. अशें कित्याक केला हाची जाप यूडी मंत्र्यान दिवपाक जाय. तशेंच हाका यूडी मंत्री जबाबदार आसा म्हण आमदार कार्लूस आल्मेदान स्वता म्हळां. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
की आमकां कोणाक कन्सल्ट करना. आय स्टँड बाय मॉविन स्टेटमेंट. आमचे फायनली यूडी मिनिस्टर इज द बॉस. आनी सीएमान देखून काल क्लॅरिफाय केलं की सगळें सिस्टमॅटीक केलं. पूण हांव नको सिस्टमॅटीक कितें केलां. देर नो सिक्वन्स एट ऑल. वेर सिक्वन्स टुडे. मारगांव ए क्लास कावन्सिल, वास्को ए क्लास कावन्सिल. मारगांव सेपरेट, वास्को सेपरेट. वॉट इज नॉनसेन्स?
So you want to say that the entire reservation has been done haphazardly without taking consideration into the local point?
It's not local person. You should go as per the act. As per the act, it is 1/3 reservation, 1 point. Second is you have to distribute the 1/3. You can have 1/3 in Vasco and Dabolim. That is actually distributed. And tomorrow, if the chairperson lady is there, what happens?
What must be the reasons behind such things which has been reservation?
I think UT Minister has to answer this question strongly. See that the UT Minister is involved in the salary part for the staff. I don't know whether he wants us to lose the election, next election. It may be that reason. So a salary appoint केला administrator and the councillor the term cover केला UT ministry. So he has to take responsibility of that, of the garbage part, not I. Even the ward reservation he has done it haphazardly. Mavin Baban Sangla is very specific. Mavin.
So onus goes on UD minister.
I feel personally, I feel it is right. CM is supporting him fine, but where is the sequence? Sequence क्या नहीं है? In sequence there is no sequence in the reservation. Marga is one thing, Vasco is one thing.